Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore two methods to count cells not equal to a specific value. We'll start with a formula-based approach using the COUNTIF function, followed by a VBA method for more advanced users. Let's dive into these techniques to efficiently count cells based on your criteria. Let's begin with a formula-based method using the COUNTIF function to count cells not equal to a specific value. This straightforward approach allows you to quickly tally cells meeting your criteria. Follow along for a step-by-step guide on implementing this formula in your Excel worksheet. Assuming that you want to count cells that not contain value defined in a selected range of cells or count cells that are not equal to a specific value. In this case, Excel has provided a simple solution to count cells that are not equal to a certain value. And you can use the COUNTIF function to solve this problem very easily. The below steps will show you how to count cells not equal to another value in Excel. To count the number of cells in range A2, A6 that are not equal to Excel, without case sensitive, you can use the below formula based on the COUNTIF function. Equals COUNTIF, A2, A6, less than greater than Excel. COUNTIF function will count the number of cells in the range A2, A6, that matches the condition you provide. And the not equal to operator will be used to count the cells in the range that does not equal to the value, Excel. And it will count all other values except this one. In a blank cell, enter this formula. Replace A2, A6 with the range of cells you want to count. Replace Excel with the value you want to exclude from the count. Press enter to apply the formula. Excel will calculate the count of cells not equal to the specified value in the designated range. Now, let's explore a more advanced method using VBA code to achieve the same result. This approach provides greater flexibility and customization options for counting cells based on specific conditions. Follow these steps to implement the VBA solution in your Excel workbook. Press Alt plus F11 on your keyboard. This will open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor window, right-click on any item in the Project Explorer pane. From the context menu, hover over Insert, and then click on Module. This will insert a new module into your workbook's VBA project. Copy the provided VBA code. In the new module window, paste the copied code. Close the VBA editor window. Save your workbook to ensure that the VBA code is saved along with it. Switch back to the Excel workbook where you inserted the VBA code. Press Alt plus F8 on your keyboard. This will open the Macro dialog box. In the Macro dialog box, you should see the macro named Count Not Equal. Select Count Not Equal from the list of macros. Click the Run button. After running the macro, a prompt dialog will appear asking you to select the source range of cells. Click and drag to select the range of cells you want to count. Alternatively, you can click on the first cell of the range and then hold down the Shift key while clicking on the last cell of the range. Once you've selected the range, click OK. After selecting the range, another prompt dialog will appear asking you to enter the specific value that you want to exclude from the count. Type the specific value into the input box. Click OK. The macro will count the cells in the selected range that are not equal to the specified value. The result will be displayed in a message box. Click OK on the message box to close it. By utilizing these methods, you can efficiently count cells not equal to a specific value in Excel, enhancing your data analysis capabilities. Whether using formulas or VBA code, Excel offers versatile solutions to meet your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.